Hi, my name is Joana Milena Ome Naranjo. I am 26 years old. I live in the city of Neiva, Huila, and I am currently studying environmental engineering. The photography I chose for this activity was one that I took at the Gaitana Monument, a tourist and representative place in my city. This sculpture is an homeland tradition that was built in 1974, well known as the Gaitana Casica. For this reason, they placed the name of the Gaitana Monument, not begin more for the moment. I like big. Goodbye.